My name is Ruth. I am 46 years old. I want to say something honest. I am a mother who always tried to make life soft for her son, even when my own life was not. I wake up before the sun every day. The house is quiet. The air is cool. I wash my face. I make tea. I boil water again when I think it is not hot enough. I want everything to be right. I want everything to be ready. When my son was young, I woke him gently. I touched his shoulder. I spoke his name in a low voice. I did not want him to wake in fear or hurry. I wanted his mornings to feel safe. I packed his food with care. I cut fruit into small pieces. I wrapped his bread twice so it stayed warm. Sometimes I did not eat. I told myself I was not hungry. I wanted him full. I wanted him comfortable. I worked long hours. I stood on my feet all day. My back hurt. My hands were tired. But when I came home, I smiled. I asked about his day. I listened to every small story like it was important. To me, it was. At night, I checked his room. I touched his blanket. I closed the window if the air was cold. I left a small light on. I wanted him to sleep without worry. When he grew older, his needs grew too. New shoes, school books, a phone. I always said yes when I could. When I could not, I found a way. I worked more. I rested less. I told myself one thing again and again. He should not feel the hard parts of life. He should walk freely. He should dream freely. Sometimes I sat alone at the table late at night. My legs ached. My eyes burned. I drank water and breathed slowly. I did not feel sad. I felt strong. This was my love. When he went to school, I waited for his call. "Did you eat? Are you okay? Do you need anything?" He laughed sometimes. He said I worried too much. I smiled. I did not stop. Years passed. He became a man. He moved out. His world became bigger. My care did not stop. It only changed shape. I still watched the weather. If it rained, I worried. If it was cold, I worried. I sent messages. I sent food. I sent money even when he did not ask. I wanted his life smooth. I wanted him comfortable. One day, he visited me. He looked well. His clothes were clean. His face was calm. We ate together. He spoke about his work, his plans, his future. He looked at me and said, "Mom, you did everything for me." His words stayed in my chest. That night, I sat alone. I thought about all the extra steps I took, all the tired days, all the quiet sacrifices. I understood something new. My love was not only protection, it was preparation. I did not just make his life easy, I gave him strength without telling him. The next morning, I woke up early again. The house was quiet. I made tea. 1 cup. I sat by the window. I felt peace. I knew he could stand on his own, not because life was always kind to him, but because he was never alone when he needed care. Later that day, he called me. His voice was warm. He said, "Mom, did you eat?" I laughed. My chest felt light. My heart felt seen. When we said goodbye, I held the phone for a moment. I felt close to him, even in the silence. I am Ruth. I am 46 years old. I am a mother. My love lives in every comfort my son carries with him, like a gentle hand on his back, always there, always kind. And even now, when he's far, my love still holds him softly.